Welcome to our presentation on internal communication practices in Company A and Company B. Let's explore the communication strategies and improvement implemented by these two companies. In Company A, internal communication takes the form of horizontal communication, emphasizing quick and efficient response to client needs. They have a centralized system utilizing email, WhatsApp, and an in-house implementation system. Various departments, including production, development, and management, are directly involved whenever the marketing department learns of changes in customer requirements. This ensures timely notification and collaboration among departments. With the new communication system, information flows seamlessly from clients to the responsible department, eliminating delays and miscommunications. The production department coordinates with the planning department for material requirements, and the marketing department closely collaborates with the production department for any product adjustment or enhancements. Company A focuses on close departmental collaboration, direct client connection, and productivity enhancements through training exercises and effective communication management.
In Company B, the internal communication flow is characterized by upward communication. Initially, they face challenges in getting the right information to the right people at the right time. Managers and supervisors were often uniform about field activities and customer feedback. Recognizing the need for improvement, Company B implement a development process aimed at addressing these issues and providing up-to-date information to managers and supervisors. The process focused on increasing knowledge, comprehensions, employee engagement, and inspiration. It also facilitates conversation and understanding of communication difficulties. To enhance internal communication, further Company B proposed a system and conduct a pilot project to evaluate its effectiveness. The development process fosters employee motivations, improve communication capabilities, and encourage involvement and cooperations. The next steps for Company B include implementing a digital information management system and refining meeting procedures to enhance internal communications.
Now, for question B, we will focus on a service design approach utilized by both companies. The service design approach takes a holistic view of the task at hand, considering the entire process rather than individual components. By using service design tools and methods based on CIMO logic, which stands for context, intervention, mechanism, and output, both companies identified and addressed internal communication problems in small and medium-sized enterprises, SMEs. Through this approach, Company A and B gain multi-dimensional insights, incorporating their perspectives as well as those of their customers and users. This led to improved internal communication, innovative goods and services, and enhanced operational model, customer value, revenue logic, target audience, and user experience.
In addition to the service design approach, Companies A and B also implemented participative business model development as an internal communication strategy. This approach involved engaging employees and stakeholders in the business model development process. Through interviews, discussions, and brainstorming sessions, both companies gathered explicit user data and tapped into hidden employee knowledge. By creating a shared understanding of goals and values, internal communication and collaboration were enhanced. The outcomes were positive for both companies. Company A developed an efficient communication system, improving efficiency with a major client and streamlining invoicing through applications like WhatsApp. Company B experienced increase employee motivations, active discussion, and improve internal communications.
For question C, we will examine the internal communication practices of two companies, Company A and Company B, and explore their strengths and areas for improvement. Let's begin with Company A. Company A has demonstrated insightful communication ideas and optimal use of internal communication for their company's needs. They employ creativity in presenting ideas and views, as well as leverage technology to obtain new solutions and ideas. However, they are facing challenges in gaining significant support for their management plan, indicating that there might be internal barriers hindering the expected change. It is crucial for Company A to address these internal communication challenges effectively in order to minimize lingering internal problems that could potentially put the company at risk. Moving on to Company B, their initial internal communication activities faced numerous challenges, leading to information gaps and delays in the transfer of crucial information from clients to production. To overcome these issues, Company B implemented a new internal communication management strategy that prioritized customer needs, resulting in a productive and efficient service chain. The customer feedback on this innovation has been positive, as services are now delivered more efficiently to clients visiting their garage for repairs. Continuous implementation of this strategy is expected to further improve Company B's internal communication management over time. Based on our analysis, we recommended several improvements for both companies to enhance their internal communication practices. Firstly, sharing the business strategy with employees and leaders is essential to develop a comprehensive understanding of the company's goals and differentiation factors. Effective communication in this regard can inspire passion, engagement, and a stronger connection to the overall strategy, leading to improved production and service outcomes.
Additionally, to bring the strategic plans into reality, plain and consistent communication is crucial. Both companies can utilize e-newsletters or magazines dedicated to the strategy, showcasing the implementation progress and future vision. This will ensure that the strategy becomes more than just a document and is actively embraced by employees throughout the organization. Furthermore, the use of social media platforms such as Telegram, WeChat, and Facebook Messengers can significantly enhance internal communications management. Leveraging social media tools enables quicker and more intelligent delivery of information, allowing for efficient invoice distribution and real-time updates on product improvements. By embracing social media, companies can facilitate knowledge sharing, collaborations, and innovation among employees, ultimately enhancing organizational effectiveness and delivering greater value to customers.